Okay guys, hello, welcome into my first YouTube video where I'm going to show you the principle and the basics of the RRC strategy of my personal entry model which I developed. And I just want to say I was ICT trader for more than 3 years before, and I was doing good, like I was making payouts, and it was go ups and downs. Of course my win rate was between, I don't know, 60-65%, but I have much less trades per week, and during the bad markets it was really hitting some drawdowns. And then I switched to futures and I try to develop my personal model, because on futures you can go on seconds time frame, and commissions, fees and slippage are really minimal. You have almost no spread, and it's much better to scalp the futures. First of all, I want to apologize for my English, it's not my native language, then there will be some maybe non-professional words, but I hope you will understand everything how it should be and it will be clean for you. Then let's start. This trade I took yesterday, I posted it also on my Twitter. You can see it was the 10 Apex accounts. I make them pass yesterday, it's $500,000 funded together, and it was exactly this trade. I'm going to break it down for you, and I will show you also one trade from yesterday, from the Monday, during the London session. This is the New York session. I'm using UTC plus 1 time, it's my time zone. You can switch to New York if you want, or to this one if you want to check this one trade by yourself. Okay, I will show you the reason and the principle how I take this trade. But first I'm going to show you proof that the strategy is working really well. This is my Tradify account from almost 2 months. Yeah, you can see I go for one trade per day strict, and you can see losses are minimal. Average lose is like $35, yeah, and average win 280 almost, which make us like money management and risk reward in reality 1 to 8, and profit factor is almost 40. Then if you are above 1 you are profitable, as you can see, but mine is on 40. You can see the trade win, I have 24 wins, 5 kind of break evens, yeah. And here are the trading days. I show, I think, 99% of the trading days on the Twitter account. Some of trades I close earlier by myself when I don't like price action or it's too slow, and or I got break even, then I take another one if I see another one valid and I have still time, because I'm not sitting all day behind screen. That's not the goal of trading. We trade to have some freedom, yeah. You can see here was like 3 trades also, but it was mostly like break even. Or one time I also opened minis instead of micros, then I close it very fast and then switch to micros and open trade there. But yeah, it's happened because of lack of focus. But here you can see win rate 83%, PNL. Look, here is how the account goes up. Really consistent results, yeah, really consistent. And the win rate is pretty nice, money management is pretty nice. I show multiple payouts from these accounts on my Twitter profile, yeah. I'm showing also the payouts, some of them. Of course I'm not showing all accounts I have, because it's not, in my opinion, it's not safe to show all money you make, yeah. I'm showing just some basic payouts, which is not so incredible to don't bring so much attention, unwanted attention, yeah. I'm showing payouts, this account history, account reports, just to show that trading is possible and you can really make it if you have good strategy. If you have strategy which works and it's over longer time profitable, and keep your losses as you can see, small, and wins kinda big, yeah. Maybe you can say $300 is not such a big trade, but it is. If you take it on 30 accounts or 20 accounts, it's kinda big trade for one day. And I trade on 30 seconds time frame, mean my trades are done time under 5-10 minutes. Okay, then this is I think all I wanted to show you. Now we can go to the trading view, and we can go to the point why I take the trade. It was this one. Here is the 5-minute swing high. Yes, I call it swing point because it's swing high or low. Here is swing low. You know, I think all of you know what is swing high, swing low is. If you have some middle candle and candle on the left have higher low, and candle on the right have higher low, and this is the lowest low. It make you swing low. And when it's swing high, candle on the left need to have lower high, candle on the right need to have lower high. Yes, it make you valid swing high. Now maybe you can ask why I don't wait for this swing low to be taken, because we are in uptrend. You can see since the New York market starts, we are going slowly down, sorry. We are in downtrend. Yes, here was consolidation from the morning, then some pump up to take out the liquidity, and now we again continue down. You see? We don't want to look for so much longs here, especially in New York when it can spike up. And this was 31 December, last day of the year, and also not the best price action, but this trade was really clean. Okay, as I said, we trade on 30 seconds time frame. Now we have two candles formation. First is top candle, is the candle which tap and touch the point of interest as the first one, yeah. This is our swing point. This candle tap the swing point as a first candle. It's our top candle. RRC candle is right before it, yeah, below. The first candle below it. It's our RRC candle. Now, how we entry and how we put stop loss and take profit. Okay. RRC, like the meaning behind it, this is my personal model. I developed it, and this is how I look on the markets and what's my point of view on the markets. Sorry, I don't know if the music is not so loud. I will try make it like this. Okay. RRC is the last candle before we tap the point of interest. Okay, then this candle give us the direction. This is the source of energy, source of power, source of liquidity, which bring us to the point of interest. Now, if this is just sweep of liquidity, we will see reaction back down, and we need to close below this RRC candle. It's this level. We need to see hard close, which means body close, candle close below this. That means this level is not going to continue up. Okay, but if price make this, come here and show bearish weakness and bullish strongness, like it pump up back, we can see it's going to continue in uptrend. Yeah, maybe here we develop some break of structure and we start go up. But if we see straight close down like this without hesitating, yeah, we know this level is not continuation level, the RRC. This liquidity was made up just to take the higher liquidity swing point, and then we go back, close below it, and now we start look for shorts. How I entry? You can enter the trade straight just by market entry, but if stop loss is too big, like here it was almost, yeah, it was 50 points, which is kind of big for me, then I prefer to take the trade on the fair value gap, or here we have another potential fair value gap, yes it is, or on RRC level. 99% of the time you can see me, I take the trade on RRC, yes, I take it like this. What about stop loss? Stop loss, if it's too big, I'm putting it behind the higher time frame swing point or point of interest, okay? RRC model doesn't work only with the swing points. We trade also order blocks, volume imbalances, but it's on the time frame. Some time frames have strong volume imbalances, some time frame have strong order blocks, but you need to know which time frame use for what. It's very important. It's making the huge difference on win rate, reflecting on the win rate and filtering out the bad trades and bad point of interest. Now you can, as I say, enter here or on this fair value gap. Yeah, I will know. I put my stop loss often here, and when its stop loss range is small, I put it behind the high, or you can put behind this fair value gap and take profit. I go on funded accounts. I go for 1 to 1 or 1 to 5, which I see the liquidity is closest. Yeah, let's say here 1.4 almost. But when I'm on a challenge account, I'm going for 1 to 2, closest liquidity. Yes, you can see it's this one is some liquidity target, and here we have some target on higher time frame. Now we go back to 30 seconds and we can see which one give us 1 to 2. Okay, this one like this. And now we can enter here or fair value gap how you want, or straight here, but then your stop loss is big and your risk reward is smaller. But you can also miss trade, you can go straight down. Yeah, it's up to you personally. Now you can see you will get entry triggered and straight to take profit. This is trade I take and pass past all accounts. Okay, and it's very simple. You just mark valid point of interest, which is most important part of the strategy, and then you wait for two candle formation, top candle and identifying RRC, Reaper reversal candle. Yes, then you just wait for confirmation with body close behind that level, and the more strongest and cleanest the close is, the bigger chance the trade will play out. If it's making weeks, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, and don't want to close below it and just consolidating, it's not so high probability trade. Okay, now I'm going to show you also one example from previous day. It was Monday 30. This was the New York, okay? This was the New York session trade. You can see I'm in UTC +1, but if I go to New York, this is around 10, okay? But I'm trading in my own time frame, time zone, sorry. Then now we can go to yesterday London, where I take the trade. It was kinda consolidation yesterday London, the Monday 30. It was here around Frankfurt Open. Yes, London started 8 o'clock. I love to get my entries before 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock, the New York time, I think. Yes, I love to get my entries into London before the 3 o'clock, from 2 to 3, because at 3 o'clock the German market opens and it brings a lot of volume, and this volume make volume spike, which often hit my take profit, and I am already done for the day. Yeah, you can see when we go and wait for 9 o'clock, we got some volume spike. Look, here is 9 o'clock, yeah, and here it is. And often this volume brings me to the take profit when I taking trade earlier, but here was not a valid entry early for me, because we have just this swing low, okay, and it get violated, continue down, not nice reaction and nothing at all. And then I was waiting for some volume around here and I take long. This was kind of nice trade. It was also from a 5-minute swing point. And on 30 seconds we identify first the top candle, okay. Second, we identify RRC candle, which is this one. Yes, sorry, I fucked up kinda. This is our RRC. I can make it kind of smaller to don't be oversized. Now let's look at this. In this scenario, we can see we make the 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock in New York time volume spike, tap our point of interest, and now volume kind of dies. And you can see we got weak. Before I tell you, we want to see the best possible, most clean entry is when we got closed body on the first time, yeah, above the RRC, like this. If we close like this at the first attempt, but sometimes we got 1 week, yeah, and the rejection maybe bait people for short, but we want to see second or third candle to close above it. See, now this strong candle close even kinda above or the same level like previous candle week, then this is good signal for me that the market want to go up. We sweep the low, make the wick, not even body close below it. Then we have this 1 minute volume imbalance. We smash through it with this candle. We make bullish volume imbalance and close above RRC. But this 1 week, it's like showing me also tricky or the weakness of the market. And overall, we are in bearish market. Yeah, but London makes sometimes pullbacks or it's like how to call ICT call is I think Judas swing, like fake move of the day. Okay, we make the high and that high will be high of the day and then the rest of the day we can go down. That's often London. And in London I also take trades in both direction. If we are bearish I take also bullish trades because London is more consolidating and making kind of fake moves against higher time frame, and New York is more trending and aligning with higher time frame. Because of this week you can go just straight for 1-to-1 risk to reward. If this stop loss is too big for you, 17 points, you can put it here, okay, or behind this volume imbalance, but that's for me too small and I don't like to take trades like that when I feel kind of stressed for it. Then you can put your stop loss here. And about entry, yeah, why I entry market entry here and not here, because the difference is half point. You can see this is 5.5 and this is 6. It's half point, 2 ticks. It's no reason to put limit and maybe miss trade if it's straight fire up, yeah. Then I just entry market in here. I take this trade I think only on one Tradify account because it was before the new year and I was not sitting on the charts all day. You can see this is for me 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock morning. It's start of the day, and when I have time I just sit and look for some trade opportunity. What about take profits? On first liquidity sweep I like to put my stop loss to break even, and the second liquidity sweep I like to take profits, yeah. You can see this is also kind of liquidity here and this also, but this is kind of like equal highs, then it doesn't matter with how you mark it, but you put your stop loss to break even if here or here is the same. And this is also, but it's not that significant high like here, yeah, but we can mark it. And now you find some profit around 1-to-1 or 1.5. Yeah, you can make a compromise like this 1.3. I take my profit here on 1.5. I make it here. And now we got top candle RRC. We sweep our 5-minute low. We mark our target. And you can see you don't have even time to move your stop loss to break even. We smash through the profits immediately. I think this is enough. It showed the principle and my thinking, how I look on the markets and how to use the RRC model. I think I give all proofs the strategy is working. I post every trade I take, I post it every day on my social media, on my Twitter X account, yeah. I showing the payouts, I am showing the account history. You can see 90% of the kinda traders on the Twitter can't even show 1 week history of the account. They are just showing the winning trades 1 win per week, and they are flexing around it. But when you ask for at least monthly report, nobody give you this, maybe 10%, 5% of traders. Then you can see I show multiple time. Also from Apex I show 2 months history in September or October. Also win rate 90%. Now I show from Tradify. This you can see on my social media. The name of the account is 001. That means it's the first account I buy with Tradify, and I am trading it till today, making multiple payouts. My maximum lose was around $12 or $30. I don't remember. It was the break-even trade, and you can see it's consistently profitable. For 2 months, I make minimum drawdown. I make payouts. I make 10,000 almost from 2 accounts. From one account, I make almost 6,000, which is pretty nice. When I'm risking $150 per trade. And I have also more accounts with Apex and other prop firms where I'm copying it. Then it's bigger money. If you look on this from this point of view, yeah, don't go big risk on one account, like risking $500, $700 just to make some payout. Don't do it, you will lose your accounts. Instead of that, go to work, make some money, get more accounts from more prop firms, buy trade copier like Replicanto or EDTEs. You have a lot of trade copiers possibilities, and try to buy more accounts, even 25,000 accounts from Apex. Buy 10 of them, or I don't know, 20 of them, and risk $100 per trade, and go for take profit 150, 150, 200, and just wait 2-3 months, and you will be amazed how much money you can make. Really amazed. Then this is my thinking behind money management and risk management, how I trade, how I make money with this. Now I show you the principle of the RRC. We need top candle, RRC candle, and of course I didn't show the confluences and how I'm choosing the higher time frame point of interest and time importance, yeah, because sometimes of the day are also really high probability, and when you pick only that times from day, your win rate will be jumping around 80% also, like mine. And there is some extra confluences, but I give you the principle of the strategy, and if you will put enough time into backtesting, journaling, and making notes and reflecting your losses, you can find them by yourself, these extra confluences, and how to filter out the bad trades, the bad point of interest on higher time frame. You need to know which fair value gap will work, which volume imbalance will work, which time frame is good, which time frame is too high for 30-second RRC entry. Guys in my Discord trade also 1-minute RRC, some of them. Then it's just, you need to know also some details. You can find them by yourself by, let's say, hard work, but you can also find them in my Discord group. Like I think a lot of you know, I have private videos where I'm explaining the RRC model and also 2 extra models, but I'm trading mainly RRC, you can see, and I am really explaining every detail of the strategy, the perfect time of the day, when to trade it into London or into New York. I explain which point of interest on which time frame is the best one to choose, and I'm showing extra confluences for bias, how to know if you should more focus on the longs or shorts, and these confluences raise up my win rate from 50-60% to almost 90. Yeah, like we can say right now my win rate is 100% for these 2 months, because losses I take are break-even losses. I don't take single full losing trade. Then this is the confluences which are really good. And as I say, if you want the fast way, just write me and we can make deal. You will get access to the videos, you will get access to the Discord group. In the Discord group, all the members are trading RRC model. Then if you have some questions, multiple people can give you opinion, because I think it's very powerful to have community and all communities trading only one simple trading model. Because when you have like Discord groups and people trading, I don't know, 5 different models. Everybody posts some results every day, and it's just confusing you. You jumping from one model to the next model, and it's not the way for the consistency, in my opinion. And in our Elite Futures Academy, we focus mainly on RRC. Yeah? You can find me on X, on the Twitter, under this name. EFA, yes, is the shortcut. But also, if you just write RRC or RRC entry into the searching in the Twitter, in the X, you can find my post and my account. And yeah, you are more than welcome to join us if you want the, how to say, faster way to get profitable. But I understand somebody maybe don't like the courses, don't like the mentorships, or how to call it, and you just want to do your work by yourself. Okay, no problem. I give you in this video everything you really need. And for the extra conferences and find out what's working, what not, you need to put your effort, your work for it, yeah? Because if I put this all in this video, it will be not fair towards the people who buy the course, who put the money, who take the risk and go for it, yeah? It will be not fair towards them that they pay to have that info and you will just have it for free on YouTube. It's not fair. Then I decided to make it like this because this way people who have time, all of you are students or just have some extra time per day, if you try to backtest this entry model and you will journal and find out, okay, 15 minutes, let's say, order block at this time of the day doesn't work very good, I will not trade it anymore, and you will go on it this way, you can find the filters, you can find the confluences, and also some confluences for the bias if you look for long or short. There is a lot of details, which are really small details, but they can push your win rate from 50% to 80-90%, and these details are important. Okay, I wish you good luck and all the best to the new year, as today is the first day of the new year, and just do your hard work and don't be greedy. Go for consistency, aim for consistency, really. Buy more accounts, smaller accounts, buy trade copier and risk small, risk 50 or $100 and go for 150 to $100, and long term in 3-4 months you can take out 20, $15,000 payouts. On the beginning it's really nice. It's somebody yearly salary in some countries, yeah. Then good luck. If you have any questions, ask me under this video in the comments on YouTube, or just write me a message on my Twitter account, and we can make some deal. We can find some solution for your problems if you struggle with psychology, money management, or just strategy, or you are I saw people who are so much years in the trading, like 4 or 5 years, and they are still losing. They cannot make, I don't know, at least 1-2 payouts per month. Then if you have problems like this, feel free to write me and we can find some solution. And yeah, I think that's all from my side, and I wish you the best for the new year one more time, and take care. If any questions, just ask me. Thanks for your attention and for the time you find to check this video. I hope it helps you.